Hello, hello, hello. Not copied from Tanmay, but because he's like, hello, 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 guys. Welcome to the. I don't know if that was spot or something like that, but he says like, yo, 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 welcome to another episode. We've got the OG gang with us. You've got Banker OP, Kidnapper OP, Shahar OP, Banger OP in the house. Oh, Prisoner OP, Writer. Heck yeah, I'm not sure. Rider OP, Provider OP, OP OP. Yep. I felt a bit sleepy, so and a bit sloppy because it's almost midnight. But I am liking this thing, so let's just go ahead with it.
Varun Grover had said, I think, any good joke offends 50% of the people, makes the other 50% laugh. 50% लोग uncomfortable उसने वरुण ग्रोवर ने एक उसका एक वो है इसका स्टैंड अप है वो एक पॉलिटिशियंस के बीच में जाके पॉलिटिशियंस के ऊपर जोक मारता है and half of the room is all uncomfortable but
Uh,
the other half is
but
laughing.
like in this, you know who I like? What's his name here? जो यहाँ पे on award shows he does comedy यार. He's the
रिकी
host.
जर्वेस.
हाँ, Ricky
हाँ.
Gervais, Ricky
रिकी
Gervais.
जर्वेस
उस
सी दैट वो
that,
बंदा कितने लोग को ऑफेंड किया तेरे को मालूम है क्या?
अरे but that offense, is not like on death of someone or like that. It's
Bro, that
about
guy
like
has, oh come on, look at his, उसका ह्यूमैनिटी देखना भाई, उसका स्पेशल है, उसमें ऐसे ऐसे जोक मारता है वो इतने ऐसी चीजों के बारे में.
I've seen only his like speeches or when he's hosting.
हाँ.
Like that I find sometimes funny.
नहीं नहीं उसके बहुत उसके ऐसे जोक है जो मैं काश यहाँ पे मार पाता पर मतलब
Respectable.
रिस्पेक्टेबल तो मतलब इट्स टू टू डिसरिस्पेक्टेबल एनिमल हो जाएगा घोड़ा. पर वही है यार डार्क कॉमेडी का वही है कि see once you make someone laugh on something that they had never laughed that way before, no,
Mhm.
then their mind kind of gets liberated from that. उनको उतना डर नहीं लगता फिर वो टॉपिक से.
Mhm.
Which is true. I mean, मेरे पहले जब पेपर होते थे तो आई यूज्ड टू बी लाइक वेरी स्कैर्ड. फिर मेरे को कुछ फ्रेंड्स मिले कॉलेज में एंड देन दे यूज्ड टू बी लाइक दे यूज्ड टू स्कोर रियली गुड मार्क्स, ठीक है. एंड बट एग्जाम के पहले दे डिडंट फियर द पेपर दैट मच. Of course they were also kids. Uh, they were also adults, very young adults, but the ones who I saw who flourished, who have been flourishing ever since that time, they used to be like they used to keep it very calm. Once you make a joke about a paper, the fear goes away. Or sometimes you might just think like इससे बुरा क्या हो सकता है, and then you think कि अच्छा इससे बुरा ज़्यादा कुछ तो नहीं होने वाला है. So मतलब one paper in your college doesn't make that much of a difference, I think. I mean, if you have to choose to take stress just before the exam, अगर एग्जाम में टाइम है, you've got time to prepare. It's sometimes it's good to have that fear. That sometimes pushes you to go and start studying about it seriously, apart from the lectures you went. But it's I'm going way too much into that uh, stuff, so let's just not digress and continue.
So that is what the inspiration behind dark comedy is, that they want to liberate everyone of such fears. They
Okay.
want you to know that you can still laugh on these topics and you can get away, you can open up your mind basically.
Also, one more thing is like when you are laughing in these clubs and stuff on these shows, uh, you get back into present, which is why I love this thing. Uh, when you start living in the present, it's actually appreciative of whatever you've got in nature, and like being present in that moment is the best thing you can do in your life, because whenever you're that. See, when we are not present, you don't also remember the moments, and then it doesn't make you feel happy also. Even if you're doing something really good, like if you're going on a trip with people, but constantly thinking of doing things right after the first thing, कि पहले we reach the station. Let's say if you're traveling by train, railway station जाना, railway station से पहले कि cab का है. So if you're the guy who is planning everything out and is very much focused into that only, like ये भी मैंने book किया, अब सामान वामान हो गया पैक किया, अब गाड़ी में जब तक हम लोग स्टेशन नहीं पहुंचते हैं, I have to plan for that. I'm not enjoying the view which we are going through in the car. I'm not discussing about fun things with the people I'm traveling. I'm just in my head supposed to be that way because अगर ट्रेन मिस हो गया then आगे का पूरा पैसा बर्बाद हो जाएगा. So then that person has to take that sacrifice, and you're very fortunate if you don't have to be that person. You must always try to be that person sometime or the other just to know how you feel from that point as well. But it's like, sometimes if there is one friend who is more good at planning, you are able to observe things uh, very well. Not just that, might even have like tell that person to let's just split the brainstorming thing on these things so that we can both equally have an opportunity of like like getting the getting hold of that present moment, like experiencing that because when you travel you're not in the same place, so that there's definitely something which is different. The environment is different, and if you try to feel it, you might get some different perspective towards life or something like that. So that is, I think, what he was trying to imply from this. I don't know how my perspectives would change in future, so that is very interesting to have them documented at this point.
I'll just give a
Many
shout
people.
out to आशुतोष जी, जो उन्होंने वो चीज सिंग सॉरी कि वो awkward कर दिया वो कुणाल कामरा की थिंग. No, no, we didn't get awkward at all.
अरे awkward कहाँ हुआ भाई?
Shout out to Ashutosh ji, and he is following chess again because of us. So thank you.
अरे thank you. Alt comedy. I'll give you an example. Alt. Have you seen Bo Burnham?
Sorry.
So sometimes like it's like, yeah, he was supposed to say something and then Vijay interrupts with some things. So he's like, thank you. And then he's like, okay, what I should say so that it seems like I have heard it, but again, I have to get back to my stuff. I have to teach also. So it's a really good thing. Like, if we have teachers like him, if there's someone like let's say there's a student in the class जिसने कॉल किया, ठीक है, कॉल करके वो घर पे किसी को बोलता है या पैकेज डिलीवरी उसके हॉस्टल रूम में होनी थी, तो इज लाइक कोई दोस्त ने कलेक्ट कर लिया एंड द टीचर इज लाइक उसके फोन पे थैंक यू बोला, फोन रखा उसका, देन ही अगेन कंटिन्यूस टीचिंग. आई मीन इमेजिन दैट इन दैट सेंस वुड हैव बीन वेरी फनी, बट टू मी एटलीस्ट.
Bo Burnham. Have you seen?
What is that?
What?
He's a comedian. He's an alt comedian. Alt is
Oh,
basically Kenny
I've
ने हमको ऐसे सिखाया था alt कि alt is a comedy format which imagine there's an audience full of 100 Vidits,
hmm,
and Vidit had to perform.
hmm.
So what would Vidit perform that would impress those 100 other Vidits?
I'm very
That is
hard to
alt.
impress. So,
क्या?
very hard to impress.
हाँ, तो वही है ना कि अगर तू वही वही करेगा जो सब करते हैं, which is in the mainstream, it won't excite you.
Yeah,
So
got
you
it.
have to break the mainstream. जैसे अभी mainstream क्या है, सब लोग एक what is the mainstream idea of stand-up comedy? एक बंदा माइक में हाथ लेके, माइक पे हाथ रख के, माइक स्टैंड पकड़ के जोक मारता है. That is ideal stand-up comedy. पर मान ले कल को कोई बंदा कुत्ता लेके आ गया स्टेज पे.
Hmm.
कभी नहीं हुआ ना अभी तक ऐसे कि कुत्ता
Out of
लेके
the
आ गया और
box.
ऐसे माइक लेके कुत्ते पे रख दिया और कुछ तो जोक कर रहा है ऐसे करके. तो सडनली इट बिकम्स ऑल्ट कॉमेडी कि भाई ये कर क्या रहा है, कुछ नया कर रहा है, मजा आया.
Got it.
तो
थोड़ा
वो
out of
बनना
the
मैं,
box thinking.
हाँ, गोइंग आउट ऑफ द मेन स्ट्रीम. जैसे अभी कनी का स्पेशल आया है कल, तो उसमें वो हारमोनियम लेके कुछ तो कर रहा था, हारमोनियम के साथ टाइम पास कर रहा था, उसके साथ जोक्स कर रहा था.
Okay.
एंड दैट वाज वेरी नाइस टू वॉच, वेरी न्यू टू वॉच. मतलब it's
There's this entire series called Chai with Kenny kind of thing, wherein the entire audience, I think, is having tea. Him himself is having tea. He has this table and his guitar. In one episode, he talks about all kinds of biscuits. In some other episodes, he talks about something else. But that biscuit episode stuck to my mind, so that is why I'm saying that. Yeah, Bo Burnham is a genius. I mean, at his age when he started doing things was when I think I was still understanding how to solve linear equations. So he's a genius. I think इतना genius भी होना ठीक नहीं है because I think he looks very depressed in his recent songs or recent comedy things. He has his all this beard and hair all grown up, and people in the comments also say quite a lot of that. But the material which he has made, it's funny, and along with that, it's very unique because he does it in the form of songs. He plays his own keyboard, and it's really interesting.
Like the everything else. जैसे अभी गिटार था, ठीक है, गिटार in 2005 if you saw anyone on stage with a guitar, that was alt comedy because तब वो हुआ नहीं था कभी.
Okay, okay,
पर आज के डेट में बहुत लोग आते हैं गिटार लेके. अब गिटार has become mainstream. Now guitar
okay,
is no longer alt. So alt keeps
okay,
changing.
okay, okay.
It's like alternate to what's happening
क्योंकि
in the
जो
mainstream.
mainstream हो गया है, that changes, no? Normalized क्या है?
Yeah,
What is normalized thing?
that is how you progress in any art form. कि now that these guys are going, they're taking the risk of going alt, more people will do that, and eventually alt becomes main, and then there's a new alt.
Okay. By the way, there are some questions on for you on
Oh,
comedy stuff. Do you want to take it?
sure man, anytime. Lorry, I'm sorry चल रहा है.
What?
अरे मैंने कॉमिक्सतान में alt किया था ना, लॉरी आई एम सॉरी. मैंने एक
हाँ 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 हाँ,
उसमें
याद
किया
है
था.
याद है याद है याद है वो ये हो गया था ना थोड़ा
क्या हो गया था?
नहीं नहीं कुछ नहीं, आई एम मिक्सिंग अप प्रॉब्लम.
ऑफेंसिव नहीं हुआ था वो मेरी दोस्त थी भाई. वो इट्स ऑल प्लान्ड. शी वाज माय
या
फ्रेंड,
या आई
माय
नो
फ्रेंड इन द ऑडियंस.
आई नो आई नो आई नो.
Thanks. Why not? Saurabh is asking, why not punch down? Why is it taboo? Cater to the elite, basically people who pay. Seems like a better business model. अच्छा वैसे कह रहा है. Saurabh is saying, why don't you punch down? Uh, do you understand the concept of punching up and punching down?
या बिकॉज उपमन्यु ने बताया था उसके वीडियो में. So if like let's say
Oh,
if I am disabled, I can make fun of disabled, but
Yeah.
if I'm working, I'm fine. I cannot like make fun of someone who is disabled. Like that would be punching down.
There is punching up, punching down, and punching
I mean
sideways.
that's what he said that in that show. So I'm just quoting him.
It's like imagine there's a line. Okay, imagine there's a vertical line
Mm-hmm.
of privilege.
Okay.
Like you are, let's say I am a comedian. Okay, let's take my example.
Mm-hmm.
I'm from a well-off family. मतलब I don't have any problems. I am अभी कोरोना वायरस हो रहा है तो मेरे कोई जान पे नहीं आया है.
Mm-hmm.
I'm well privileged. I am uh, a straight male.
Mm-hmm.
Male privilege है मेरे पास.
Mm-hmm.
मैं रात को बाहर जाता हूँ, मेरे को कुछ खतरा नहीं है उतना अपनी उसका कि कोई आके मेरे साथ कुछ गलत कर देगा. तो I have lot of privilege. So you have to know where you are on that line.
Okay.
All right. And in comedy, it's usually you. So जो तुम्हारे ऊपर आते हैं privilege में, like मेरे से भी privilege लोग हैं. अंबानी है.
Yeah, it's punching
Ambani is
up.
more privileged than me. So on that line, he comes above me.
Yeah.
अंबानी के ऊपर कोई है? कोई भी नहीं है. ठीक है. अंबानी के नीचे मोदी जी है. ठीक है. तो
Let's not make it political.
let's not make it political. So I can, if I make a joke on Ambani, I am punching up.
Okay.
So if I make a joke कि अरे अंबानी क्या ये आदमी है, खराब आदमी, जो भी whatever joke I make,
rich
people
इतना
will
पैसा
laugh.
है वगैरह.
No one will feel bad. No one will feel offended. But if I make a joke on someone who's on that line below to me, on the line of privilege, जैसे कोई वेस्ट पिकर है, ठीक है,
Yeah.
तो मैं ऐसे कुछ जोक मारता हूँ, यार ये वेस्ट पिकर क्या बे, रोज वेस्ट उठाता है, वो कुरकुरे के चिप में
That
क्या
will
मिला,
not. That will be offensive.
तो
Considered offensive.
that will be not considered offensive. तो है ही, ऑफेंस की बात नहीं है, वो खराब लगता है. वो
Not funny.
doesn't leave a good taste.
Got it. Got it.
Right, it doesn't leave a good. However, it's considered a good thing to not punch down. However, there are so many comedians these days,
Mm-hmm.
like Andrew Schulz है एक बंदा.
Okay.
वो सारे he talks about all, he punches down basically.
Mm-hmm.
But that's the debate I keep having with my comedy friends. वो बंदा ऐसे sexist joke मारेगा, वो बंदा racist joke मारता है.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
तो
I mean,
the debate,
punch down works, I think, when you're in close circle, but stand-up comedy, it becomes probably
तो मेरा मेरा ये डिबेट हमेशा से फ्रेंड्स के साथ ये रहा है कि पंचिंग अप इज बेसिकली पंचिंग अप अगेंस्ट एनी एस्टेब्लिशमेंट, एनी लाइक यू लाइक पिंक फ्लॉयड का गाना था, वी डोंट नीड नो एजुकेशन, वी डोंट नीड नो थॉट कंट्रोल. So that song was completely punching up against the education, against the system, against of all of this. So
Mm-hmm.
you're punching up.
Mm-hmm.
So Andrew Schulz, जो वेस्ट में there's a lot of political correctness these days.
Mm-hmm.
That is an establishment of political correctness कि भाई तुम लोग ये नहीं बोल सकते, ये नहीं कर सकते, वो नहीं कर सकते. There's a lot of political correctness. So maybe why he's so funny is because he's punching up against that establishment.
Okay.
So that
Even AIB में तन्मय has said that like if you're if you're making jokes about the oppressor, it's punching up, and if you're making a joke about people who are being oppressed, that is punching down. So yeah, that I think fits with what Samay just said about Andrew Schultz's way of making jokes on the oppressor.
is a that's the constant debate I have. So it's not like you should not punch down. You can still punch the you can. It's kind of complicated. But Andrew Schultz बहुत funny बंदा है basically. You should watch
Okay.
his content.
Sure.
बहुत modern लोग को बहुत जो अपनी generation है अभी जो ओपी लिखती है उनको बहुत पसंद आता है Andrew Schultz.
I like how you say modern generation जो ओपी लिखती है.
जो ओपी लिखती है अपनी जो जनता है, जो young जनता है, पता नहीं क्या है उसमें, बहुत funny बंदा है वो.
Okay, okay.
Andrew Schultz ओपी हो जाए दोस्तों एक बार.
Many questions for you actually आज. So I
Yeah,
mean
yeah,
it's
please,
up to
please
you.
ask. मतलब
So
जितना मेरे को आता है
so
मैं उतना बताऊंगा. मैं खुद 2.5 साल से कर रहा हूँ ये. मेरे को जितना आता है मेरे को
so I'll just
वो
like tell with it Norm's joke where punchline and setup both are same. Summer your views
Oh,
on George Carlin. Uh, what do you think of Daniel Sloss? Talking
I'll
funny
एक
with
करके एक
yeah,
करके.
yeah. So many questions for you actually. Today I'm enjoying, you know. आज मेरे लिए कोई
देखो
क्वेश्चन
जब तक
नहीं
तेरे को
है.
मजा आ रहा है तब तक सही है भाई. मतलब मेरे को जितना आता है मैं बता रहा हूँ. तेरे को
मेरे को
जब तक
बहुत
मजा आ रहा
मजा
है, जनता को अच्छा लग रहा है तो
बहुत
मैं
मजा आ
तब
रहा
तक
है.
बताऊँ.
जनता if you like
हाँ
it, please समय ओपी in chat.
हाँ बताओ क्या था पहला क्वेश्चन. द नॉर्म मैकडोनाल्ड का थिंग अबाउट नॉर्म मैकडोनाल्ड ने ये कहा था कि द बेस्ट जोक इज दैट इन विच द सेटअप इज सेम एज पंच लाइन.
The setup itself is so funny, क्या?
नहीं नहीं नहीं. इट्स लाइक आई गिव यू एन एग्जांपल. आई मेक अप अ जोक फॉर यू टू अंडरस्टैंड. ऐश्वर्या Aishwarya Rai broke up with Vivek Desai. With Vivek Desai कह रहा हूँ. With what was his name? Aishwarya Rai broke up with Vivek Oberoi.
Yes, both setup was funny and the punch was funny.
No. Aishwarya Rai broke up with Vivek Oberoi after she realized that she is Aishwarya Rai and he is Vivek Oberoi.
Got it.
You got it?
Yeah,
The
I got it.
setup and punchline is same. So according to Norm Macdonald, that is the perfect
It
joke.
could be funny. It could be funny. Yeah. Easily
हाँ
could be funny.
हाँ. दूसरा क्या था क्वेश्चन?
दूसरा question
It could be funny क्या है भाई? It is funny बोलना चाहिए ना? I don't know.
था what do you think of Daniel Sloss material? Personally, dark
Oh.
comedy is favorite. And one more, I'll tell you. HBO's Talking Funny with Louis, Chris, Jerry, and Ricky.
Louis, Chris,
Louis,
Jerry
sorry.
Seinfeld, and Chris Rock. That is one of the best things to watch if you are into comedy. Please watch Talking Funny. It's a 46 or 47-minute video.
Okay.
जो मैंने इतने बार देखा है. And the best part about the video is every time you watch that video, you learn something new.
Okay. Okay.
They keep talking about this. You know, they talk about a very interesting point that I want to ask the audience
Okay.
and also you with it.
Okay.
Like, do you come to see the comic or do you come to see his new 1 hour? That's the debate that one point comes, which I'll explain what it means. Okay, मान ले कल बिस्वा ने अपना एक मटेरियल डाला बनाना एंड पोमोग्रेनेट. तूने देखा है वो?
हाँ देखा है ना.
So now are you coming to watch his banana and pomegranate again or are you coming to watch his new hour?
Like basically, are you coming for the person or for his new material?
Are you coming for the person, his new material, or are you coming for to जैसे किसी गिटारिस्ट ने गाना बनाया है, Stairway to Heaven बनाया Led Zeppelin ने. I am going to watch Led Zeppelin play Stairway to Heaven. I don't care about what they are doing new. No, I want to watch them play the songs that I know. Or are you coming? So similarly, are you coming to watch the comedians, the material that you know, or the new art?
Okay. Very interesting.
I'm asking you.
So let's say if you do your like your show, like जो audition में किया था, if you're doing something like that again, Would I come to watch it? That's what you're
हाँ
asking, right?
हाँ, like basically would you come to watch me do a Comic Con का finale वाला bit, or
Mhm.
would you want me to do the entire new hour?
It's very interesting. Let me think. Let me think on this. Meanwhile, you can like
So
pick
it's
the
like
questions. Yeah.
there's no correct answer to it. It's a debate. Some comics what they do is they do the new hour, then there's a thing called encore, where the audience requests them कि भाई वो वाला bit कर दो यार, banana
हाँ.
and pomegranate. तो फिर वो फिर से आते हैं, okay, तो ये है भाई वो bit.
Oh, okay.
तो
Mhm.
वो after the show they do it. It's called
Right.
encore. Not everyone does it, but लोग
The
करते हैं
thing
कि
is,
ये
I have
new hour.
not seen live stand-up so much. So for me, it's very hard because if I have some experience, then I can relate to it more. I've only seen it on YouTube.
There was a part in Talking Funny, as Sana said, उसमें क्या होता है ना कि Louis C.K. and Chris Rock का material is around 1 hour 30 minutes and 1 hour 40 minutes long उनके shows का. And for Seinfeld and for Gervais, it is 110, 115 max 120. So then Chris Rock just says कि we don't have shows क्योंकि साइनफेल्ड का एक शो था साइनफेल्ड और जर्वेस का आई थिंक द ऑफिस यूके द ओरिजिनल ऑफिस एक्चुअली बाद में यूएस बना था ऑफिस यूएस सो दैट वाज वेरी फनी बिकॉज वो and then they I think Seinfeld or someone says कि वो एक्स्ट्रा 15-20 मिनट में तुम शो का कंपनसेशन कर ले रहे हो and then it was so it's really interesting to watch that and yeah for me it was initially मैं इंग्लिश कॉमेडी नहीं देखता था तो I when I saw it for the first time talking funny it felt very boring later when I listened to few जैसे यहाँ से ही रेफर करके वो बर्नम एंड्रू शुल्स सीके के थे जोक्स जर्वेस के थे जर्वेस के गोल्डन ग्लोब के जोक्स साइनफेल्ड के 1-1 घंटे के स्पेशल्स बिकॉज आई थिंक वो बिलियनर उसको लोग बोल रहे थे तो आई थॉट कि कुछ क्रेजी क्रेजी उसका है बट यही था आई थिंक दैट इज ऑल लेट्स कंटिन्यू
And this, so it's different. But I've seen many of those comedy specials again and again. So I mean, I do come back for the material जो है तब.
हाँ, तो वही है कि कुछ लोग जैसे मैं भी कई बार जब लाइव शो करता हूँ, मेरे को बहुत लोग बोलते हैं शो के बाद, अरे बहुत अच्छा था पर वो मुकेश वाला नहीं किया यार आपने. मैंने कहा
हम्म.
हाँ वो तो रिलीज हो गया है ना. कह रहे
हम्म.
अरे नहीं यार हम तो वही देखने आए थे.
हाँ.
मैं कहा ठीक है फिर क्या तो वही है.
समझ गया.
जॉर्ज कार्लिन का जो सवाल था वो व्यूज ऑन जॉर्ज कार्लिन.
और बहुत सही है
जॉर्ज
ना.
कार्लिन जॉर्ज कार्लिन जो यंग जॉर्ज कार्लिन था ना, which when he was young he was more physical, he was very funny.
Yeah.
And when he grew older, he had a lot of insight that matlab George Carlin old, I can listen in my earphones, I can drive my scooter and I can have the time of my life कि बस उसके कान में सुनते रहूं. But George Carlin young, I can look and I can laugh. उसका एक bit है, it's called Stuff. George Carlin Stuff.
Yeah, I know because you buy stuff ऐसा कुछ उस पे ना.
हाँ नहीं वो उसका bit ऐसा है कि उसका दोस्त उसको बुलाता है एक जगह पे, तो वो अपने घर से क्या क्या लेके निकलता है. तो वो लेके निकलता
टू बी ऑनेस्ट 22 स्टफ वाला पार्ट स्टार्टिंग में था
है, 1 महीने के लिए बुलाता है घर उसको, तो वो अपने बेडशीट लेके जाता है, अपने टूथब्रश लेके जाता है, ये लेके जाता है, बेड लेके जाता है, ये वो लेके जाता है, सिगरेट लेके जाता है, ये लेके जाता है, वो लेके जाता है. फिर वहां पहुंचने के बाद उसका दोस्त बोलता है अरे सॉरी यहाँ से आपको आइलैंड पे आना है. तो वो कुछ चीजें छोड़ देता है. फिर आइलैंड पे उसको बोलता है अरे नहीं आपको और आना है. तो लास्ट में उसके पास जो बचता है वो है सिगरेट, ड्रग्स, नशा, ये वो. तो वो जोक है उसका ऐसा कुछ.
अच्छा, okay. No, I used to find George Carlin very funny. Like he also had some nice observations.
या तो वही है, कई लोगों को ओल्ड जॉर्ज कार्लिन पसंद नहीं है बट ही इज वेरी इंसाइटफुल.
Got it.
और कोई सवाल है?
बहुत है पर आप मुझे पता नहीं like if you have time so
I enjoy, this is what I do for a living man. I enjoy
I'm having the time of my life. I'm enjoying, so don't worry. मेरे पास भी time है. If you have
हाँ.
time, I have time.
Yeah, I have time.
And your name is Samay, so I think you have time.
वाह ये यहाँ पे रख दिया भाई आपने. इतना मैंने सिखाया आपको जोक राइटिंग, सेटअप पंचलाइन बोल के, ये आपने वापस वही जोक मार दिया भाई.
एडिट कर दूंगा मैं, एडिट कर दूंगा. ये बार एडिट हो जाएगा. So do you think India is ready for roast? Dark comedy is for people who are first accustomed to the art form, or you will get used to dark comedy much easier if you understand the humor behind MMLP. I don't know what is MMLP.
मार्शल मैथर्स एलपी, वो एमिनेम का
Oh, okay. No, I
I
don't
don't.
know about this.
Is India ready for roast? Is India ready for roast? वो डिपेंड करता है ना कि कितना, but
Ask
see
Tanmay, I would say.
one thing, don't you agree with it कि जब AIB का रोस्ट आया
हाँ,
उससे पहले हम लोगों को, मेरे को तो पता नहीं था कि इतने ऑफेंसिव बातें हो सकती है इतने
मुझे
बड़े
भी नहीं
लोगों
पता
के
था।
सामने।
मैं तो शॉक था।
समझ रहे
मैं
हैं?
शॉक था।
शौक था ना, शौक था, लेकिन उसके बाद जो चेंज आया, बिकॉज आवर माइंड्स ओपनड अप सडनली टू द आइडिया कि यार ये सब, मतलब इट्स नॉट दैट बिग ऑफ अ डील।
Well, ask
एंड
Tanmay again. I think it's not easy to
मतलब
make a roast. I don't
AIB
think India is
AIB
ready.
मतलब इट्स नॉट अबाउट रेडी, इट्स द बिकॉज द रोस्ट हैपेंड, AIB रोस्ट हैपेंड, ऑल जो भी हमारे कमेडियंस है, मैं हूँ, उपमन्यु है, सब लोग रोस्ट के बाद ही इंस्पायर होके ही आए हैं, मतलब कि बिकॉज वी ओपनड अप टू द आइडिया ऑफ cracking jokes about being completely honest and brutal and blunt, and उसके वजह से जो उनको repercussions पड़े वो तो पड़े ही, but that price that they paid, that sacrifice that they made of
Comedy
FIR,
scene.
of this, that has built the comedy scene
Yeah, I agree with
completely.
that. I agree with that.
तो वही है, see, that's what I was telling you, right? When you laugh on a dark material, when you laugh on a dark joke, you are opening up your mind to accepting that idea. Eventually, not maybe at that time you're shocked, but it in your conscious mind, in your subconscious mind, you let go of that fear of that topic.
Got it. So, do you want to
मतलब
take the questions more, or like you want to continue with the slides? It's up to you.
sure.
What? Sure, कौन सा?
मतलब I can take questions, I can show you the slide, इसमें कुछ बचा नहीं ज्यादा।
अच्छा.
More genre दिखा था मैं, character comedy, people who are doing in who just play a character, जो
Okay.
लोग, एंडी कॉफमैन करके था, वो एक अलग तरीके से बात करता था, एक अलग तरीके से सब करता था, and he used to
Okay. Chris Rock भी वैसे ही है ना?
नहीं, क्रिस रॉक इज मतलब कैरेक्टर कॉमेडी इज बेसिकली, हे क्या, तो हेलो आज हम ऐसे बात करेंगे, एंड मैं ऐसे ही बात करता हूँ, हेलो कैसे हो तुम, एंड एक बंदा पूरा अपना कैरेक्टर ऐसे बनाया है उसने, who's completely not him, he has made
Okay.
that character and he does comedy in that character,
Okay.
that's character comedy. तो कैरेक्टर जैसे नवीन रिचर्ड का स्पेशल में जेवियर करके उसने कैरेक्टर बनाया है।
I don't recall. I've seen the special, but I don't recall it now.
या क्या पूछा है, किसने पूछा है कुछ?
Bro, can you ask Samay what he thinks of Andy Kaufman? I'm curious. So, Abhi, just now you
अरे
answered
जस्ट
that.
मैंने बताया एंडी कॉफमैन भाई, एंडी कॉफमैन वन ऑफ द लेजेंड्स भाई, वन
Oh,
ऑफ द लेजेंड्स।
I'm more exposed to Indian comedy scene than, Western. That's what I've realized.
हाँ, तो हम लोग सब वेस्टर्न से इन्फ्लुएंस होके, मतलब ऑल द इंडियन कॉमिक्स, मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर इन्फ्लुएंस फ्रॉम वेस्टर्न, की उनको देख के हम लोग ने सीखा है, जैसे एटलीस्ट मैंने तो इससे ही सीखा है, एंड वही है।
Okay.
जेम्स
What?
एकास्टर करके है एक, मेरे को पता है उपमन्यु का फेवरेट कॉमेडियन है वो,
कौन?
जेम्स एकास्टर,
Okay.
ब्रिटिश कॉमिक
So
है वो।
many new names I've got to know today. I realized कि कितना little I know about it.
It's the same thing, no? It's like how we don't know a lot about chess players,
Hmm.
but you like you probably know a lot of names. जैसे मेरे को, because I am little into chess, so I know now. I know
Yeah.
Mikhail Tal, I know Morphy, I know Anderson, and that's it.
Yeah, the more you get exposed, you
But I'm
realize.
sure you know like hundreds.
Of course, yeah. Thoughts on Dave Chappelle's Bird Revelation?
मेरे को तो डेव शैपेल बहुत पसंद है, पर डेव शैपेल का ये देखा था क्या वीडियो जो अभी आया था नेटफ्लिक्स पे, उसका जो अवार्ड एक्सेप्टिंग स्पीच, आई थिंक दैट वाज द बेस्ट। उसमें जो उसका रोस्ट किया था, आई थिंक वो बहुत फनी था। एंड डेव शैपेल तो है ही, डेव शैपेल के जोक्स भी बहुत लोग को ऑफेंड कर देते हैं। नाउ आई डोंट रिमेंबर एग्जैक्टली व्हिच स्पेशल, बिकॉज़ आई हैव सीन ऑल डेव शैपेल्स थिंग्स।
Bird Revelation कुछ लिखा है?
वही मेरे को अब याद नहीं आ रहा उसमें कौन से बिट्स थे, बर्ड रेवलेशन था और इक्वानॉमिटी या कुछ तो ऐसा था। पर मेरे को तो जितना मैंने देव शैपेल देखा है, मैं देव शैपेल वन ऑफ दोस कॉमेडियंस नो जो मैं एक सिटिंग में देख सकता हूँ। ऐसा बहुत कम कॉमेडियंस है जो
Okay.
जैसे तू जब Amazon पे देखता है कुछ, हाउ मेनी टाइम्स कैन यू वॉच एन एंटायर स्पेशल इन वन सिटिंग?
I've seen, like, I'll tell you many things which I watched in one sitting. जैसे first of all, like,
मैंने मस्त आदमी एक सिटिंग में देखा है।
मस्त आदमी, हाँ, मस्त आदमी, सुशी, फिर केनी का था, जो what was it, don't be that guy, that I watched. Also राहुल सुब्रमण्यम का मैंने देखा था,
हाँ, कल मैं उड़ेगा।
और
तो वो बहुत बड़ी बात होती है
और
एक
कनन
comic के
गिल
लिए।
का भी
ओ
मस्त सही
कीप
था.
इट रियल
That
बाप
was
रे
very
बाप।
good, yeah. So
तो फॉर अ कॉमिक इट्स अ वेरी बिग डील दैट उनका स्पेशल कोई एक सिटिंग में देख ले।
okay. No, I am used to sitting in one place ना, so वो problem नहीं होता है.
मतलब इट्स आल्सो अबाउट हाउ द सेट इज ना. देखो यूजुअली 40th मिनट पे डिप आता है एक.
हाँ.
40 मिनट हो जाते हैं ना, देन यू आर लाइक
Okay, let's continue with the 40 minutes ka dip in the next episode. This was it for part 3. Let's go to part 4 in 3, 2, 1. And let me stop the